location is the heart of 3 CBDs or Central Business District, which is in Ortigas, Makati, or BGC. So, ito po ang ating location. Ayan ang Boni Station. Etong malaking yan. This is the EDSA. So, ito po, no, na-mention kanina na malapit tayo sa tatlong heart ng Central Business District. So, we have in Makati. Etong nasa red is Makati, BGC, and Ortigas. So, in short, nasa gitna po tayo. So, kung ang client mo naghahanap ng Makati, BGC, Ortigas, pwedeng i-recommend si Light2. Especially kung siya po ay nagko-commute. 'Di ba? Kasi syempre nasa MRT station lang po eh. Hindi na siya lalayo, hindi na siya mahihirapan. This is very accessible. So, we are located along EDSA, corner Boni Avenue, Mandaluyong. Kaya nga po, Boni Station. So, ang project details po natin. So, meron tayong dalawang tower for Light2 residences. 55 floors po tayo. And syempre, katulad ni Light Residences, meron din po tayong mall, which is 3 floors, no? So, ang units natin is total ng 4,190. At ang parking natin is 720. So, ang average per square natin is 250 square meter. 250,000 per square meter. So, ano po ang mga unit na pwede ninyong i-offer? We have studio, 1 bedroom, or 2 bedroom. Ito na po ang ating construction update. So, malapit na po siyang magawa. Ayan, kita nyo naman, no? Ayan, updated po ito. So, ito na po, sabay ng ginagawa, no, yung Tower 1 and Tower 2. So, ang project timeline po natin, na-launch po tayo noong 2019. So, ito turn over po natin ang Tower 1 on April 2026. And then, ito turn over naman po natin yung Tower 2 sa between quarter 2 to quarter 3 of 2026. Okay, so, ito yung building chart natin, no? So, eto sa baba, ayan, meron po tayong basement. Ayan, na may commercial parking. Commercial parking din sa baba. And then, sa ground floor po, ground, second, actually parang basement, ground, and second, nandyan po yung commercial natin. Because as mentioned earlier, yan po yung mall. Okay, kaya po commercial yung nakalagay. And then, on the 3rd to 6th floor naman po, and 3rd to 7th floor, nandiyan naman po yung residential parking natin. Sa 7th floor natin, meron din dyang part ng amenities, while sa 8th floor naman, nandiyan lahat ng amenities natin. Okay, so building 9th floor hanggang 56th floor, lahat po yan ay residential. So in short, siya ay payu. Okay, Tower 1, Tower 2. So, ito po ang ating site development plan. So, para po siyang pa-letter L, di ba, yung kanyang angle. So, nasa gitna po yung kanyang amenities and yung mga pool. Okay? Ayan. So, ito po ang perspective natin for our exterior. Since ginagawa pa lang siya, no? Ayan. Ganyan po ang kanyang magiging itsura. I think this bridge connects yung Light 1 and Light 2. Interior ng ating Light 2 residences. Ayan, ganyan ang kanyang magiging itsura. Ito rin po. Ayan, ito po ay yung mall. Okay? Ang tawag ay SM Light 2 Mall. Interior design niya. Ayan, so ang construction update po natin as of the moment is ito. So, medyo buo na. Magkakaroon na rin ng konting paint. Na-install na rin yung mga glasses. So, ayan. Ito naman po ang ating pool area, which is sa gitna ng dalawang tower natin. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 swimming pool. Of course, we have the fitness studio na pwede ninyong ma-enjoy kapag kayo po ay nag-invest sa Light 2 Residences. We also have the outdoor gym. Ayan, ito rin po ang ating outdoor gym since na-mention kanina ni Miss Mela na parang right after the pandemic, yung mga amenities ni SMDC also incorporated para dun sa mga nagstay na lang sa bahay, 'di ba? Parang in case magkaroon ng pandemic, may enjoy pa rin nila yung amenities, 'di ba? Indoor gym, of course, meron tayong outdoor, meron din tayong indoor. We also have the alfresco lounge. Ayan, so syempre open po ito kasi nga alfresco. We also have the 7th floor hallway. So eto. We have entertainment room that you can enjoy. Of course, yung lobby natin. So, very standard do that si SM is really giving us yung mga hotel-like lobbies. Ayan. So, eto po. Ayan pa ang ating light. Very aesthetic. Bakit si light 2 yung pipiliin nila? Number 1, light 2 is transport-oriented. So, connected po ito to Bonnie Avenue Station via light 2 link bridge. So, magkakaroon ng link from MRT station to light 2. Okay, so ito nakalagay din. Meron tayong link bridge. Safer traversing from light 1 to light 2. Light 2 to light 1 mall and MRT and vice versa. So, nakakonect po siya sa mall, papunta dun sa light 1 and papunta sa MRT. So, parang in short talagang extension din siya. Even yung mall, kasi si light 1 po, meron siyang mall. Okay, so si light 2 rin, magkakaroon ng mall. Okay, we also have, ayan, integrated mall. 3-story full-blown mall at the foot of our home dwellers. So, bakit pa siya lalayo? Hindi na siya lalayo, hindi na siya maghahanap ng ibang SM kasi sa baba mismo, meron na pong mall. Okay, so ano po yung mga unit types natin? So, number 1 is the studio. Ayan, so si studio po natin is around 4.7 to 6.2 million and that is around 20.69 square meters. So, ito po yung layout niya. So, this is the door, no, natin. Ayan, so pagpasok natin, andyan yung toilet and bath, and then yung kitchen and sink natin, nandito. And then this is the area for living or living, bedroom, tsaka dining, itong area na to. So, eto po, kapag lang gusto ng client ninyo, makita kung gaano kalaki, yung pwede niyang malaro for dining, for living, for toilet and bath, and for balcony. Ayan, ito yung balcony po natin. That is around 20.69 square meters. Ito naman po for our 1BR plus balcony. So, ang nag-range po ang amount natin for 1BR plus balcony from 5.7 million to 7.1 million. Ang sukat naman po natin is 25.65 square meters. Pagpasok mo is left side, toilet and bath. Right side, the sink. So, ito po is area for the dining and living. Tapos, syempre, ito po, may partition na po siyang kasama. Yung ating bedroom. Tapos, yun yung access to the balcony. Ayan. So, ayan, may mga natapos ng 1 bedroom with balcony. Ganito po yung itsura niya. Ayan, pansin nyo kanina, no, different siya sa fame. Kasi diba nabanggit ko kanina sa nagpa-present na parang darker yung kulay. Ayan, kasi ito po yung standard natin na kulay. So, lighter siya sa ibang unit. So, ito na po yung actual. Nakikita niyo naman yung tiles, diba? Ayan, may cabinet na siya, may countertop. So, for 1 bedroom with den naman, so 1 bedroom pa din siya, mas malaki lang siya ng konti. Ano po ba yung pag sinabi nating den? So, etong den kasi, pwede natin siyang i-convert into office, pwede ring mini additional bedroom, pwede ring closet, diba? So, it depends on your client. Pero parang ang ending, meron siyang 1 bedroom and 0.5 na bedroom. Ganun siya ipapaliwanag. Okay, so this is around 7.5 to 8.9 million and 32.38 square meter. Ayan. So, ito po yung itsura ng 1 bedroom with den. So, ayan no, kanina, diba? Ito po ang standard finish natin. So, may cabinets, diba? Very aesthetic, no? Yung unit pa lang. Ayan. So, ito po ang kanyang actual. So, next is our 1 bedroom and unit with balcony. So, diba? Parang kapag nagbebenta lang tayo ng cluster, kapag end unit, siya yung nasa dulo. Kasi nga end. Ayan, so this is 35.68 square meters, around 7.8 to 8.4 million. Ayan, ito po yung itsura naman niya. So, para siyang nasa end, tapos medyo iba lang yung, unlike kasi yung regular natin na with balcony, diba? Nasa bedroom yung access natin to balcony, but this one, yung access niya po to balcony is nasa living room. Ayan, ito siya. Ito yung kanyang balcony. Ayan. So, ito po siya. Nasa gitna din yung kitchen niyan. So, eto po yung bedroom niya. Ayan po, laging ganyan yung door ni SM. Actually, this one is different kasi parang may glass, no? Kasi yung iba parang solid na wood. Tapos this one is the balcony. Kita na yung kapitbahay, kita yung building, 'di ba? That's how it looks like. Ayan. So what you see is the standard finish. Ang ganda, no? Parang pwede ko lagyan mo na lang ng foam. Pwede ka na talagang tumira. Ayan. So eto po siya. Ang ganda naman ito. Ayan, kapag gusto mo magluto-luto sa gitna. Ayan, ito po yung ating standard na partition with SMDC. Okay, so next naman is our 2-bedroom and unit plus balcony. So again, 2-bedroom siya. And then, ayan, may mga balcony siya. Not 1, but 2. Okay, so this is 41.78 square meters, ranging 9.2 to 11.5 million. Ayan, ito naman po yung itsura niya. Ayan, so literal may dalawa na. Dahil 2 bedrooms na po siya, hindi na po siya sliding door. So literal na door na talaga siya, no? Okay, so this is how it looks like. So ano ba yung unit deliverables natin? So for wall, of course, painted plain cement finish tayo. And then for the floor, tiles tayo. Hindi po tayo vinyl tiles. And then for our main door, it's laminated wood. For our bedroom naman, again, painted plain cement finish lang. Also, color white. And then tiles, interior drywall in painted finish and laminated low wall partition. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na light yung color, no, na aesthetic na pintuan. And then, for toilet and bath, laminated PVC door, balcony, painted plain cement finish, ceramic tiles, and painted real steel railings. And then for our kitchen naman po, is we have painted plain cement finish. For the floor, naka-tiles tayo. Tapos countertop natin is granite. Cabinets natin are laminated wood cabinet. And may kasama na po tayong 2 burner cooktops and range hood. Diba? So, makakakain na po kayo. Flight to Residences is along EDSA Boni MRT Station. So, ang ating APD or Assistant Project Director is Jolo Matias. And then, ang ating PD is Miss Leia Rabusa.